Hello audience, today I'm gonna show you how to fix GCash Custom ROM or Unlock Bootloader problem. Okay, go back. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click on developer option. Now scroll down. Now click OM unlocking. Now click on off, developer option off, go back. Now go back. Now go to your Play Store. Now search, check your GCash update. My GCash already updated. Open GCash. Okay. By doing process, hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.